Welcome my dear students. Now welcome to my new video tutorials, the universal concept of biology. Now in this video tutorial classes we will be discuss about why the human digestion is called as a catabolic process. A catabolic process. First, we have to understand what is catabolic process. At first, we know about what is metabolism. Metabolism is the most important part of the life process of an animal. Then comes to what is metabolism. The metabolism means, or the definition of metabolism is the sum of all total biochemical reactions which are occur inside our body. That biochemical reactions are called as the metabolism. On the basis of functions, the metabolism is divided into three sub-disciplines. The first discipline is anabolism, in which biochemical reactions the energy is required, means the ATP is utilized. That biochemical reactions is called as anabolism. It is otherwise called as constructive process. Due to the construction, the ATP is required. As for example, we can take to the construction of proteins. Proteins are made up of amino acids. Amino acids are gathered to form proteins. That's why the ATP is utilized to form the protein, to form a simple food material to a complex food materials. That process is called as anabolic process. And the second subdisciplines is the catabolic process, in which biochemical process the energy is liberated in the form of ATP. That biochemical reactions is called as catabolic process. As for example, respiration, digestion, these are the example of catabolic process. Means these biochemical reactions release large amount of energy. And then comes to last, the third subdiscipline is amphibolism. Amphibolism is a very important sub-discipline of metabolism, and most of the students are ignore about the amphibolism, and most of the students along with the teachers also. What is amphibolism? Means which biochemical reaction shows both the character of anabolism and amphibolism, and catabolism. That reaction is called as amphibolism. So means here a large amount of energy is required, and a large amount of energy also liberated in the form of ATP. As for example, we can take the Krebs cycle is the best example of amphibolism. The human digestive systems or human digestion, it is a life process, and it is called as the catabolic process because here a large amount of energy is produced, and which energy is help to us for doing some work, doing some functions, doing some displacement movement of our body parts. That's why the human digestion is called as a catabolic process.